How to fix video_driver_debug_report_request BSOD error. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Right-click on the Start button and select Device Manager from the menu. Expand the Display Adapters section. Right-click on GPU and select Update Driver. Pick Search automatically for drivers. If updates are found, allow them to install. Restart your computer after updating all necessary drivers. If that didn't work, type memory in Windows search and select Windows Memory Diagnostic result. Choose Restart Now and check for problems, recommended. If that didn't work, open Start and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Type Y and press Enter. Restart your computer to allow the disk check to run during boot. This may take some time depending on the size of your disk and the number of errors found.